Hello, everyone. We are back in my basement at my house, and I hope you're doing well wherever you are. Today's lesson is 12.4 on multiplying and dividing rational numbers. This is the last thing we are going to study in this unit. Yes. All right. The learning target for today is the student will, you, extend integer operation rules to rational numbers. As we learned with adding and subtracting, all of those same rules for integers worked with rational numbers. Same with multiplying and dividing. Okay, for this lesson, you're going to need your math notebook and a pencil. So go ahead and grab those. Pause. Unpause. Let's get started. Let's review the rules for adding and subtracting integers. So if you have the same sign, like a positive times a positive or a negative times a negative, the answer is positive. If it's a positive divided by a positive or a negative divided by a negative, again, the answer is positive. So same signs, always a positive solution, whether you're multiplying or dividing. And this works for integers and rational numbers. My kids are fighting upstairs. Okay, different signs. If we have one positive and one negative, whether we're multiplying or dividing, it will be a negative solution. Same rules as we had for integers. Let's do a little practicing. All right, let's start off by just determining, will these solutions be positive or negative? What do you think? In each case, they're different signs, a negative and a positive, so they're going to be negative, right? Because there are different solutions. Different, one's positive, one's negative. Okay, now the actual solutions. Go ahead and try finding these in your math notebook and go ahead and pause the video until you do that. Pause. I'm making a video going. Unpause. All right, our solutions for these, I worked these out on my paper. There's Sophie. For the first one, it would be negative 2 and 8/35. And for the second, it would be negative 9. Okay, let's check out another problem. Ooh, 3 terms this time. Negative 1/7 times 4/5 multiplied by negative 7. And notice we have these things here. They're not absolute value signs because they have those kind of sides there. Those are called brackets. So we use brackets every once in a while when we already have parentheses in a problem. I want you to try to figure out where you would start with this problem and try to solve it. Pause. Unpause. Can you do this, Soph? Okay, she's a little shy. All right, with this one, I would start in the parentheses. So 4/5 multiplied by negative 7 over 1. A positive times a negative is a negative, so that will become, let's see, negative 28/5. And we're going to multiply that by negative 1/7. A negative times a negative is a positive, and when you multiply those out and simplify, we will get 4/5. Great. All right, Sophie, how was your day today? I don't think she's going to talk. Okay. All right, here we have 6 problems with rational numbers. There's a few dividing problems, and then the rest are multiplying. I want you to give these a try in your math notebook. I will be checking it in class, so make sure you do those. And in a moment, we'll go over the answers. Pause. Unpause. All right, here are the solutions. So our first problem would equal, it's a negative times a negative, it's going to be a positive. And this one would be 2 and 2/5. For the second one, that would be negative 1/8. The third problem would be negative 9 and 18/100. Over here, we'd have 3 and 78/100. Number 5, where is my answer to number 5? It looks like it's negative 7 and 7/8. And for number 6, it looks like it's 72. Uh-oh, Teddy's coming too. All right. What I want you guys to do is a bit of practice on 7th grade, IXL 7th grade, H15.
She's sad.
Oh boy. This is really, really good for preparing for the test that we're going to have this week. So Please give that your best effort. And after you've worked on that for, I don't know, maybe like 15 minutes or so, and then go ahead and begin tonight's assignment. All right. Thanks, everyone. Do you guys want to say hi? Oh, what's on your nose? Look at this, you guys. Did you use marker on your nose?
No.
Sure looks like it. Can you say hi to my students?
Hi.
Say good luck with rational numbers. Can you say that? Okay. All right.
Bye.
Bye.